video, I'm going to show you how I cornrow braided my client's very short natural hair without adding any form of extension. You need to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. Today, like you can see from the title, I'll be cornrowing my client's short natural hair. And let me just give you some background on this client. Recently, approximately 3 weeks ago, I cut off her locks that she had for over 9 years. And we're now going on a natural hair journey to healthy hair because her locks were so damaged. If you missed that video, you need to check the description to see what I did. So now I'm trying to grow her hair out to as long as possible healthily. So I'm working with her natural hair today, and I just wanted to do a little bit of tutorial on how I braided her short hair. So her hair is freshly washed. I did a little bit of blow drying to stretch her hair, not too much, but a little blow drying. I'm using the Shine and Jam Edge Control Gel now to braid her hair. That's what you're seeing on the back of my hand. And I just love using this product because it's not too slippery. It gives a nice grip and it helps the style to last longer. Just explaining to you what I'm doing. So I first section her hair into small section to the direction that I want it to be. I'm obviously braiding her hair up in one, and once I'm done making the small section, let me come a little closer so you can see. I'm braiding away, but I'm taking small pieces of hair with my index finger as I go along, assuming that you already know how to braid, but how to get them neatly done. The trick to it is to just pull in small pieces of braid as you go along, and you want your finger to be as close enough to the base of her hair, if that makes any sense to you. So you're not pulling it too tightly. All you're doing is just using your index finger to glide the hair to where you want it, but you're holding it as close to the scalp as possible, always taking small pieces. Sometimes you'll be tempted to take bigger pieces to go faster, but if you want the braids to last longer, it takes tinier pieces as you go along. So I'm skipping out the rest of the video and I'm just going to show you the final braid. I'm down to the last one at the back. I hope you guys are liking this pattern that you're seeing at the back. I just like my job. And here at the salon, I only do natural hair. I am a natural hair specialist. I don't do any form of extensions, any form of added extensions, I should say. But I want you to watch carefully what I'm going to do to get the look that I achieve at the top of her hair. So these, remember I told you that I chopped off her locks that she had for 9 years? So these are pieces of the locks that I chopped off. I already used them before. Seeing that her hair is so short and I don't use extensions, I'm just going to go ahead and crochet back her locks onto the top to give it a nice look. I hope you like this idea. Once I'm done with crocheting her locks back into the top of her hair, I'm just going to do a twisted style and use a needle and thread to secure it so that it will last her up to a month. The last style lasts her 3 weeks and a few days. I'm hoping that this one will last for a month, seeing that her hair has grown a little bit longer, so it should be able to last her a lot longer. And I know that my braids look tight, but actually they're just neat. I don't do tight braids. I promise you, my clients will tell you they feel nothing when I'm braiding during the process or afterwards, and usually I'm very easy on their edges, even though you see that I take in everything. Normally my clients' edges grow when they start seeing me. I promise you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you should go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload new videos on this channel on how to care for your natural hair, you'll get notified. Don't forget to like this video if you like this style, comment and share. Support my channel, please. Before I get to the end of this video, I just want to share with you an inspiration for today. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and that's from Philippians 4 verse 13. With God, nothing is impossible. So no matter what situation you're facing now, whether it be ear-related or in life in general, nothing is impossible with God. So keep trusting Him, keep believing in yourself that you can do it as long as you have God on your side. This is my equation for you. 1 plus God equal majority. Never forget that. And this is the finished look. Let me know, as I said before, if you like this style, if you like what I did with her hair, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know what videos you like to see me do. Until next time, God loves you. Stay blessed.